Hello, my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome back. This is the last vlog of this year. Well, if everything goes according to plan, you should see this one at the last day of this year, which, funnily enough, will be on a Sunday, so yeah. I decided to also upload it then. My year has been full of travels and full of explorations and adventures, and I would not want to have missed any of it. Now, the next year will start with some adventures, but there might not be as many during the whole year as it was this year. Because I will have to go back to the real world and try to find a job and do everything you have to do to be able to afford the traveling. So you will have a few travel vlogs, but this whole page probably will turn more into a one video a month thing once I'm back from New Zealand and once the next vacation will be a bit farther away, so I hope you don't mind. But I will focus then more on everything that is artistic, and I will share with you a few of my artist journeys, if you can call it that. So I hope you're looking forward to that. I am. And yes, I am a bit sad that there will be less traveling, because every time I travel I feel the best, because I can do whatever I want, whenever I want. I can also be creative at the same time, because I'm filming for myself and for you. But this is not a job, at least not right now, so I have to go back to something a bit more normal, let's call it. So yes, this was my last day in Amsterdam, and I took more advantage of my I Am Amsterdam card and started my day by visiting the zoo. The last time I was here, a lot of the enclosures did not look this modern, so all of the birds still are in similar big cages, I don't know if you say it in English as well, but in German we use the French word for volieren. So yeah, that didn't change, but I think there's quite a few things they changed, and it looks dreary because the weather was not good, and you probably won't see a lot of animals, because I did not see a lot of animals, because most of them hid somewhere because it was cold and rainy. So, but I always think it's a good thing if you don't see the animals, because that means that they have the chance to hide and to go away and to not be in the spotlight all the time. So yeah. And after my visit to the zoo, I went to the historical museum, so the National Museum in a way. In this case, they are calling it the Wereldmuseum. So this one has a lot of the things from different cultures, and you know, in German it's like the Naturkunde Museum, so I think National History Museum would be, yeah, that would be like the English word for it. So yeah, I went to the National History Museum, and to round up the whole day I spent a little bit of time in the Vondelpark, which was quite near my hotel and which I had visited before a few times. So yeah, it was a wonderful day. I spent a lot of my time outside, even though the weather was not that good, but because it's November, it is what it is, right? Especially here in the north of Europe, in the north of Germany, the November is always very grey and very rainy, and yeah, not really, you don't really feel like it's winter because it's not that cold, and most of the times there's not that much snow, but I still enjoyed my time in Amsterdam. I had a lot of fun. So yeah, I'm going to leave you now with the rest of the footage so you can enjoy it, and I don't think there's a lot of things you can say about the rest of the zoo or the National History Museum or even the park at the end, but I will come back at the end to say bye to all of you. So yeah, enjoy the footage, and I will see you at the end. So yes, this is the last vlog of 2023 and also the last day of 2023. I hope you are having a wonderful New Year's Eve with lots of good company and a lot of fun. And I hope that the next year will be great for everyone. Lots of adventures, lots of fun, and only good things. So yes, thank you again for following me on my adventures and for being with me and for leaving all the nice comments you did and all the likes. And I have enjoyed my ride this year and the last year with all of my travels and all of my adventures, and it will not stop now, but it will be a bit more, as I said in the intro in the VO, it will be a lot more normal. So I will see you in the next year. Until then, stay healthy. And now I'm going to leave you, as always, with a heartfelt bye.